What is that fucking word?
Niggas don't really believe in this shit no more. It's like everything wood. That shit gonna fly over these niggas' heads.
It's the wavy crock of the dishes. I'm the waviest one in the game, man. I'm about to ride this wave.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit that subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, all the above. All right, before we get into today's video, I just want to tell y'all, hey, thank y'all for getting me to that 10K. I know I keep saying it. I actually hit that 10K when I was in the DR. If you haven't seen that vlog, check that joint out. I'm gonna leave the description up here, wherever you already know out. So today's video it's been a minute for this one too. This is a What Would I Rock? It's about the Air Jordan Black Cement 3s. All these sneak releases, all these quick drops that's been going on. It's just been crazy out here, but I am really trying to get these joints right here for real. Like, I'm not sleeping. I really want them. Yeah. But anyway, man, F all that. Let's get into the vid. It's gonna be actually an unboxing. Shout out to Effective Clothing, where you can use my discount code WAVY, save 25% off your next purchase. You already know. They sent me some gear that goes with the joint. And unlike this Snake Eyes tee that came from Effective Clothing too, that goes with the Jordan 13 olive joints that I didn't cop, but you know what I'm saying, I can still, I will be rocking the Bread 3 shit. So anyway, man, you already know the motto, boy. You got them joints in hand, Bama. How you gonna produce them?
Hold up. What is this shit?
I actually do not have them in hand. These are the 2011, if I'm not mistaken, right? Yeah, these are 2011 model. Kind of chippy, but we ain't talking about these. We talking about the ones that are dropping next week. So we're gonna start off with sweats and joggers. You can go gray. You can go black. I like olive with these joints. So, you know what I'm saying? We're not gonna say the brand because y'all messed up. Or anyway, look like I messed up. If we're talking jeans, of course, you can go black, of course. I'd even do the dark blue to the obsidian. You can do that. I'll go light. You notice I don't feel like putting the pictures up there, so I'm just showing y'all the jeans. And I'll go gray, but I think I forgot the gray jeans. Oh, you can also go camel too. You can do that camel brown. You can do camo jeans. Shout out to Laced Up Dawn. I think Ralph Lauren, they got a sale on their camo joints. They like 88 bucks. They go up to a size 34 right now, so I don't know. Maybe I might cop, I don't know. Or I might just have to hit up my pops and be like, let me get an old pair of those BDU. Now, matter of fact, I did hit up my pops. What am I saying? Yeah, I hit him up. He threw like the whole fit. I was like, nah, I don't need the whole Bama fit. You know what I'm saying? I just need, them joints starts too, so I'm just waiting on them. If they don't fit, yeah, you know I'm taking the Valairs out. On the last pair of jeans I want to talk about, First Stop Fashion, they got a pair of jeans that I've been looking for a minute. I'm putting the picture up there. It does have a sweater with it. That sweater like 200 bucks. So you know what I'm saying? That's on you, baller. You know what I'm saying? But no, those jeans, I've been looking for that color for a minute. So I am gonna have to go up there and check it out. They're called Syndicate jeans. They like 75 bucks, but between me and you know what I'm saying? You go up there with 70 or 65, you can probably walk up out of there with it. You know what I'm saying? Cool, now we're going to sneaker tee companies. The first company, without a doubt, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna take it to Queens, man. Effective Clothing. Let's get it. See what they got. Oh yeah. We already, yeah. First tee from Effective Clothing is, y'all remember this scene? Juice, Ear to the Streets.
Heard you made that DJ comp. Congratulations.
You know what I'm saying? All right.
You know what I'm saying? Word. Ear to the Streets. One thing I always say about Effective Clothing is the quality of their tees, great. Next up, let's see. I think this is that Scarface. Yep. This is that Scarface joint right here. Boom. Scar for life. Remember that joint? Scaracita face?
Why don't you try sticking your head up your ass? See if it fits.
Yeah, that was funny. Oh yeah? By the way, Marta, she was kind of rude. If I would have stepped up in that room and she was just laying, I'd have been like, nah, I'm not coming in. Meet me outside. I'm gonna drop it by the trash. Anyway, bam. Next joint. Money. Just 4 monies. So all these joints will go with the Black Cement 3s, but we still have more to go. It really came through, man. I wish I wouldn't have looked in there. Ah, man. Yo, you really came through, man. Anyway, rule number 1, make that money. I'm like the Effective Clothing billboard, you know what I'm saying?
No, sorry.
This is the joint I wanted right here. Hell yeah. Yo, they jerseys they be feeling like the Mitchell and Ness joints, boy. Oh, man, are you crazy? I'm in this, boy. Hell yeah, what size we got? We got large? Hell yeah. Check out the quality. No press on, none of that screen print. This is actually stitched.
This is the best product.
You got the number 3 right there, the pinstripes. Man, oh yeah. Yes, sir.
You're gonna be the only one in the street holding this.
Check it out. Downtown collection. Yo, that joint hard, man. Hell yeah. All right, just quick, I'm gonna see what else I got from them. I got that Generating Capital. Yeah, this is that hard one right here too, boy. It's that belly joint. Yo, man, y'all always know how to take care of a brother, man, for real. Turn trife life to lavish. Just that belly scene right there. You remember? Oh boy, when they count the money before they started stashing stuff. Man, I'm gonna feel like an idiot. I know they're supposed to be for a certain Jordan. I'm thinking these are for like a Jordan 9, but we ain't gonna, you know. Hustling days. Oh yeah, I definitely rock this. Yeah. TBT. Nah, always hustling. But yeah. It's your hard. Hell yeah. Ooh. Hey man, Effectus, the jerseys are, yeah. Don't worry, we still cement 3 in it, but I just gotta open this. Retros. Oh, see, I told you they was a 9. They was a 9. Bam. Hell yeah. Okay, yeah, see, I don't have the 9, so I probably can't rock this joint, so I'ma probably have to pay it forward. So you got the retro 9, bam, 9, bam. This is size large. I'm turning this into a giveaway now. Now that I pressed pause on the camera and edited, I see these are for those LA 9s.
No shit.
I've been out the loop for a little while. Y'all gotta forgive me. But yeah, so these are for those LA retro 9s. I'm not even gonna be on some technical shit and be like, oh, you gotta have the retro 9s. But it would behoove you.
Where you learn such fancy words at?
Matter of fact, you gotta follow me. You gotta follow Effectus Clothing. You gotta put your IG. You gotta put your IG. You gotta put your IG in the comments and let me know after you've followed both of us, and I'm gonna go back and check and make sure.
Maybe.
Nah, but yeah, so then I'm just gonna pick the winner like that. See, I didn't even know I was gonna do this, man. But yeah, no, this joint tough. It ain't that one. You know what I'm saying? It ain't that.
It's that other thing.
All right, so anyway, moving along. That was Effectus Clothing again. You already know you can use my discount code WAVY and save 25% off your next purchase. Link is in the description below. Effectus Clothing. Yeah, I know. All right, so next up, we're gonna go with 8-9 Clothing. They got the Trap Woods flannel shirt. I'm gonna talk about flannels again. I do like flannels with the 3s. They're pretty cool, especially if you got like a tee underneath that joint. You can really do your thing with that. They got a cash on delivery hoodie. It's got different colors in there, but it kind of like switches it up, makes it more like we're gonna put the, what is that word? I don't know. It's a word I'm looking for.
They go that Earl nigga.
Emphasis, there we go. We'll put the emphasis on the sneak, but no, I do like that for that. Also, they got the cash on delivery hockey jersey. Joint look cool too. Definitely pump that. If you wanted to be safe swag, like I said, if you wanted to put like a tee up underneath one of those flannels, they got the No Straight Bullets Sharpshooter Awards. That joint hard right there too. Pretty much it for 8-9 right there. Check out X Gear 101 where you can use my discount code WAVY. The only reason I didn't speak about any of their like hoodies and stuff, and they got a lot, man, y'all wasn't playing, man. Them joints are sold out. All they fly hoodies with like the elephant print, the bread colorway and stuff. Man, you can check out the other brands. They got some other joints. I'm not really gonna speak on them because they don't sponsor me, the other people, but you can use my discount code WAVY and save 20% off your purchase. I believe you can do that. You know what I'm saying? Nah, yeah, you can definitely do that. So go check them out. We're gonna talk about them again in a bit. Shout out to Kick It With Didi. She posted a Billionaire Boys Club fit. It's doing pretty cool. It's with it. It's probably not the best, but it's with it. You know, like it is with it. I know they got the flowers on the side. If you do like to rock that tag, that could get lost if you rock it. You gotta, you know, be careful. You there with it. All right, moving on. Foot Locker. They got those Jordan dunk contest tees. Now I know he ain't dunking in the black cements, but that joint is still gold. They got 2 colors that I did like. They got the black, they got the gray one. Pretty dope. If you wanted to throw it up underneath the flannel, you know what I'm saying? Just to add a little extra, boom, you good. Right there, bam. All right, getting out of Foot Locker, let's go to jerseys. Can't talk jerseys unless you're talking a Michael Jordan jersey, like off the rip. You get the Bulls joint. But if you don't want to kick out the money for the Bulls jersey, check this out. Effectus Clothing, where you can use my discount code.
Right, relax, man. I already heard.
I know, but use my discount code because this jersey right here is $25 right now.
25 for the street price.
And 25% off of $25. My math ain't that good, but I did see $6 and something cents. Brother, that's like, I don't know, 19 bucks for this joint.
That's damn good.
Look, this is, boy, in my mind, I had a Bulls jersey on. Word, like, and this joint is nice, man. Only rocked the joint once. I can't wait till it gets summertime again, but yeah, this is the stacking Bills joint right here. Really, for me, Bills just stack up. But nah, but yeah, nah, this joint hard for 25 bucks. Come on, man.
Better start listening and stop playing.
If you want to do a hockey jersey, I keep it Chicago. I like that Chicago Blackhawks. I like the black one first, but I do like the red one too. You know, I do like the red one. I don't know which one. I'm lying out here. I don't know. I like both of them, but I don't know. That black one is just something about it. All right, moving on. If you did want to do soccer jerseys, they got that. Let me make sure, because y'all be fact checking me. All right, cool. They got the AC Milan joint, stripes. It got the gray up in there too. You know what I'm saying? I don't think you can go wrong, especially you throwing like some olive jeans, pants, joggers, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Break it up. Boy, throw that joint. Ooh. Or if you did want to get real accessory about it, throwing that Gucci joint. When it's breads or something like that, I always like to rock this watch. It just kind of snapbacks, fitteds, all that. Chicago Bulls, without a doubt. Chicago Blacks, as long as you sticking to that bread, like pretty much colorway, black, red, or something like that, you good. It's just like I say with all the stuff I talk about. Style starts with you. There's nothing etched in stone. Just because I say it don't mean it's a fact. There's millions of more variations that you can rock with this. I'm just telling you what I've seen and what I like. And I always encourage y'all, let me know below. How y'all gonna rock these joints? Let me know.
Tell me, somebody.
Shout out to my man Zach, man. Zach a fly guy, man. He be putting me on. Sometimes I be unboxing shit, and I be like, yeah, this shirt. He like, oh, yo, you can rock those with, you know what I'm saying? He a fly guy, for real. He got the vision. Word. All right, so now we talking about dad caps, X Gear 101. I love their dad caps, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. They dad caps is like, this is an X Gear 101 dad cap right here. You know what I'm saying? I don't like the clash that much, but y'all, if I wouldn't have turned it around, y'all wouldn't have known I wouldn't have clashed. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, no, check their joint out. They got that shoebox joint. Pretty hard. I like them. I do like them. All right, so that's that with the dad caps. Oh, and another thing, y'all help me out. How I can rock this, man? What fitted? What snapback? What I should get? I mean, I know I'll be looking for something with pinstripes, with the red, you know, but man, this joint is definitely hard, man. But yo, all right, man, enough. I'm being biased right now. Check out Cranium Fitters. Cranium Fitters, matter of fact, 804. He picked up a fitted with I think the brim was elephant print. I had one before for the Sport Blue 3s. It's okay, you know what I'm saying? The one with
Non-talking bastard.
The one for the Sport Blue 3s. So if you want to go that route, but yeah, check out Cranium Fitters. Everything is 60% off. Now I'm screaming out them because I just want y'all to catch that deal. You know what I'm saying? But my go-to is always for you cats because they always show me love. You already know, man. All right, now if we're going to jackets, Nike.com. They got the Jordan, the Air Jordan 3 Vault joint. I like this. They do have two, but I like this one the best. The one I'm gonna put up there. Got that elephant print down the side, I'm guessing. Let me see. Yeah, that joint pretty hard. I mean, I wouldn't get the whole fit or nothing like that, but yeah, that jacket. Bomber jackets. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I can see that. I ain't gonna say go all over the edge, but yeah, if you did get that bomber jacket, you know, throw that bomber on, black joint, throw underneath it like a red hoodie, gray hoodie, Gucci, even green, camo field jacket. That joint will be hard right there too. Tech Fleece Parker. Hey, this gray joint, it'll definitely go. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you good. Yeah, that's about it right there. Hope I didn't forget anything. Salute to all my sponsors again. Their links will be below. There's other sponsors that I have too. Y'all can check them out. Direct link to their page. Shout out to the Wave Mom. Shout out to everybody that's been rocking the channel. I'm gonna say it one more time. Let me know below if y'all gonna cop these joints. Let me know how y'all gonna rock them. Don't forget, I'm doing this giveaway for the Retro 9 jersey. Bam. These for the LA 9s, but I ain't really gonna be no stickler about it. Y'all already know. You gotta follow me. You gotta follow Effectus Clothing on IG. You gotta be subbed. You gotta be a sub. I'm checking all that, making sure. And I will end up picking the winner probably for my, if not for this sneaker rotation, I'm gonna see how it goes, but I'm gonna definitely pick the winner by this weekend. So bad. Hey, this joint, you know what I'm saying? Especially you got them 9s, boy. Don't play. Don't forget, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. But that Snups. It's your boy Wavy. You already know it's my channel, Mr. What Your Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you. Out.
When it comes to getting fresh, I'm an expert. Stan Smith's linen, short shades and a fresh shirt. Unemployed, just yell at your boys, you could get work. Looking up to us for so long that they're next.